Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you a quick tutorial on how to customize the local folder. It requires a DLL or ICO file, so we need to convert our target file to JPG or PNG. First of all, go to your browser, search Convertio on Google and open the link similar to mine. Please note that there are many platforms alike. I'm showing you this one as an example. Click on choose file and select your target file from PC. Then make sure you select the right file format to convert to. After being done, hit convert and then download. That's it. We have got the icon ready. Select the target folder, click on options, go to properties, find customize from the tab, hit change icon from the bottom. Click on browse to find the converted file from the location, then open, hit OK, apply and OK. Here we go. Hope this helps. Stay tuned to this channel to design your dream today. Thanks much for being here. Bye now.